so you can cast up.
I don't have a great angle at it, I'll try.
You know what the word men means?
I don't like having both of you in the boat. One of you, there's a rag right down there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, did you see that?
Oh yeah, there's fishing mayflies and you want to fucking throw goddamn fucking worm all day.
This one wants to throw a streamer.
That
So.
makes fucking sense.
Dude, if they
They're really not just like even coming up either.
No, it's
murderers.
Like, even though there's squallows out, they're eating so sporadically. The chance is 1 in a million that they'll take your fly.
They're eating the murderers.
getting caught on shit.
Punky, can I give you some constructive criticism on your thing?
No.
You want to catch fish?
No.
She doesn't take.
I'll take that rod from here in 2 seconds. Show you how to do it.
I want to fish dries, but that shit sucks right now. Thank you, sissy.
Bah.
Lady, maybe you could make it cast if we had the stay rod out here. She was nice.
I saw it.
She picked it up so fast.
See that?
Like within like.
Did you see that tick right there, dude? That bobber, she's fucking big. You're missing fucking fish.
Do you have a smaller bobber on you?
No, but you're missing the goddamn, when it ticks, fucking set the hook, dude.
I ticked it, dude.
No, you fucking didn't.
You two how to set the hook?
No, you didn't.
I learned from you, which is why I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, well, I don't catch fish. I just tell you what to do right.
Yeah, homie. We gotta pick a fish out of this goddamn line, dude.
Oh, it punched your dog in the face. I'm so sorry. I tried to haul. I just went. Did you see that?
Yeah, I can't take the fuck out of her the other day. She was on the edge of the bed, and I fucking went to like take the blanket over her and just heel kick her right in the fucking face. So really dumb.
See, it's either this or I put like 7 fucking pulses on right now.
No, it's either that or you just catch down into it.
Well, you finally got the boat angled the right way, so now I can actually cast over where I want.
I'll get fucking with it. Alright, when you fucking catch that bitch, I'll just keep bending that bobber back behind the fucking flying. So get down.
Sam, do you hear something?
Bend them behind, give me that fucking rod.
Yeah, I heard something, but let me tell you something. When you cast, mend that bobber behind the fucking flies.
Bend it again. Bend the bobber,
Dude.
not the flies.
Helps them drop.
I know.
No, you don't.
Dude.
No,
You do now, because I told you.
You're both dicks.
Whose idea was it with you? Your fucking idea. Deal with it, Jamie. Deal with it, Jamie.
That wasn't my idea. I said we should get beer. I need you, not in the boat.
But then how would you know how to fish?
Are we still live?
I wouldn't, because you would never caught a fucking fish in your life,
How
dude.
many people are watching?
Like 1.
Still?
It's me. I'm on my phone back here watching the live stream. I've actually... Oh, my phone's in the playing music. I was going to say I lost my phone.
Sam's the #1 guide over here. Rivers is new guide in Montana. She's still struggling, but figured it out. If she were to